back to my channel, and Fun with Mitch is here. He's here at my room. So what I'm gonna do today, you guys, is here you go. Let's open this new bag because I'm going to use it today, so I better make a video. And so let's go get started. So ayan, we are going to open this first. You're gonna open the dust bag, and my goodness, there it is, you guys. Ayan siya. Look at that. So this is a leather calf skin. This is a refined leather. So the thing that I love about this tote bag, this is very, very light. So when I put my computer, because I want to carry my MacBook around when I go to my husband's office, when I go to coffee shop, this bag is so perfect. So let's go and unwrap this bag. There. So ganyan siya. Ganyan yung leather niya. It's so perfect. Next, we're gonna remove the wrap of the chain. The thing that I love about the chain is it got like the brand here. So much. This is so perfect for me to carry around, and I can carry it like that. Yeah, right? How perfect is that? So this is a convertible tote bag in black, and sa loob it is something like maroon. So, hindi siya agad madudumihan, which is I like the most. Ayoko yung agad na mamantsahan. And it's so light to carry, and I can put my laptop in. I'm going to carry this around. So, this bag is perfect. This tote bag. See? Kasha siya. It's so perfect. Now, it's heavy kasi meron na siyang lamang laptop. Pero pag this is perfect weight na to carry my laptop around because it feels like the bag itself doesn't have a weight. It's perfect. Like, oh, I love it so much. This is perfect for me to carry outside like that. Para konti social lang. Diba? I got this bag for 50% off. Like, I uploaded video a week ago, and this is what I got from the coach, and this is a 50% off. Original price was 4,500 Hong Kong dollar. So in US conversation, I'll put that up here, and then I got it for half price. So I got it for like 2,250 Hong Kong dollar. So yeah, I'm so happy to buy this because I got it the same times in discounted price. I only use backpack to carry my laptop around, but sometimes I want to be girly, so this is perfect. Please comment down below what do you think of my unboxing or my haul, and don't forget to do subscribe and comment down below if you like more of this content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around. Bye guys, have a good day. Bye.